Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kraken crypto. First, you'll need to create an account on the Kraken platform. This involves providing your email address and setting a secure password. After that, you'll complete the identity verification process by submitting necessary documents. Remember, enabling two-factor authentication is a crucial step to protect your account from unauthorized access, so do that right away. Once your account is set up, the next step is to fund it. You can deposit traditional currencies, such as US dollars or euros, directly from your bank account using a wire transfer. Alternatively, if you already own crypto, you can transfer it from another wallet to your unique Kraken deposit address. Always double-check the deposit details and any minimum amounts, which are often quite small. With funds in your account, you're ready to trade. For simple purchases, head to the Buy Crypto section and select your desired asset. If you prefer more control, the trade interface offers various order types, like limit or stop orders, allowing precise execution. Selling your crypto is just as straightforward, whether you're converting it to fiat or another digital currency. Maintaining strong security is paramount on Kraken. Always use a unique, complex password and keep two-factor authentication active. When you're ready to withdraw funds, you can send them to your linked bank account or an external cryptocurrency wallet. Just be mindful of any daily or monthly withdrawal limits and the small fees that might apply to certain transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.